Hey guys, I'm Tim Anderson with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how you can use commando rocking to build a stronger core and also mobilize your toes at the same time. So not only could you use it to build a stronger core, you could use it to build healthier feet, which actually builds a stronger body entirely. Anyway, I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is commando rocking, and it looks like this. But I can also turn it into a plank and mobilize my toes at the same time. So my feet went from plantar flexion to dorsiflexion, and as I rock back, I go back to plantar flexion. So you extend out into a plank, plantar flexion to dorsiflexion. As you rock back, you go back to plantar flexion. This is way easier to do without shoes, and really, why would you be wearing shoes when you're trying to mobilize your toes anyway? And you have to be strong enough to pick your weight up enough so that you're not destroying your toes. So you got to be gentle with yourself, and so don't do this on a hard surface. So you rock forward, go to a plank, feet go to dorsiflexion, rock back, feet go back to plantar flexion. And if you do enough of these, then you'll know that you've done enough of these. Anyway, it's a really simple way to get some really good attention to the area between your shoulder blades and your back. Does work your midsection, does mobilize your toes through each joint. I don't know if you could see that when they were rolling, but your toes actually roll through each joint by doing this. And it actually feels good. This is work, but it feels good. Anyway, that's our tip this week. Commando rocking to a plank while you mobilize your toes. We'll come up with a better name later, but for now, just give it a try. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.